This time on building terminology, dwarf wall. So a dwarf wall is a low wall which is generally less than 1 story in height, and it's also defined as a wall that supports ground floor joists. So your dwarf wall is generally used with your bearers and joist floor, which you can see here. And if I get rid of the floor, get rid of the bearers and joists, get rid of the engaged piers and the isolated piers, then what we're left with is this dwarf wall. So it runs around the perimeter of the building. It could just run down one side, depending on how the building's constructed, but it's a low wall, less than 1 story in height, and it's there in conjunction with the engaged piers to support your joists and your bearers. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.